Voters in parts of Delano, Shafter, and Arvin will decide who they want representing them in the state's capital come November. Residents will vote for either Kern County Supervisor Leticia Perez or Dr. Jasmeet Bains. I sat down with both women who share their stances on a number of issues, including the oil and gas industry in Kern. The candidates emphasize the importance of dependable, high-paying jobs and the number of government services that come from the market. But both have differing views on the state of operations in the San Joaquin Valley. Right now, any new activity for oil and gas is on pause following a settlement between the state and the U.S. Bureau of Land Management. Dr. Jasmeet Bains says she's worried about the impacts on residents should California officials continue efforts to limit drilling and permits. She tells 23 ABC she's seen firsthand patients who no longer have access to medications or health care after losing their job in the oil fields.
They're very needed jobs. They provide good healthcare access. They provide retirement benefits and security. They provide food on the table for our working class. Those are needed jobs for our county. Why are we so concerned on the health impacts of fracking, but we don't look at the health impacts of people losing their health insurance? I've witnessed and seen the health disparities that come from the attack on the oil industry.
And Leticia Perez believes there must be an open discussion with lawmakers on both sides of the issue to come up with a creative solution that keeps Kern County's exports competitive and in step with demand around the world. She says while oil creates funds for crucial infrastructure, the ethics around certain practices must also be taken into consideration.
So that the technology we develop here is the technology of the future for the globe to capture the carbon, the concerns you have about communities of color, and I really appreciate that. Right, we look at polluted airs, polluted skies, waters. This is a problem. It's a problem for the workforce, it's a problem for public health, it's a problem for our own ethics and morality. Right, so being on the cutting edge of finding the solutions is really a positive thing that everybody can rally around.
I'll have more from both candidates and their stances on issues including health care access and employment opportunities tonight at 11.